Hi, Richie here with Dent Group of VA. I would like to give an update on what we're up to. We are still open, by appointment only at this point, but I just want to show you a couple things we've done here at the shop to be CDC compliant. There are some requirements to be open, which we are an essential service to essential businesses. So we have followed all the requirements, but I feel we've taken it to the next level. I also feel that our shop before was definitely one of the cleanest shops you will ever go into. So we continue that practice. We also have the windscreens here for our customers. All of our employees will have masks and gloves on at all times. We practice social distancing. We were only allowing one customer in at a time. And we've also, when I say we've taken it to the next level, we have purchased a solution that does disinfect SARS-CoV-2, which is the cause of COVID-19. It also disinfects influenza, H1N1, and all kinds of other bacterial diseases. So this is a solution here. We purchased it for vehicles. So if you are interested, let us know. There's a high demand on this product. It is by appointment only, like I said, because of the demand. But we also use this solution to spray down our waiting room, our counters, the couches, all hard surfaces. So we are definitely taking all precautions and necessary measures to make sure that when our customers come into our shop, they are 100% safe. Thank you and have a great day.